Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this. I'm in the house with the large, it's a large only, Sebenza 25 Blade HQ exclusive, beautiful, look at this. Carbon fiber inlay is gonna be receiving a lanyard, because this is going out. So let's start, guys. You get these couple of tools. These are spinning pivots. Sometimes you need two screws, two tools, like to take it apart. In this case, it was fine. And you have this pivot coming out. You can just push out the other side and just toss it there, and that's gonna be done. Then you grab the little guy right there. So we're gonna unscrew that and this guy like so, and I'm just gonna pinch and pull the blade and see that the blade just comes off naturally, and just a gentle wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There you go. That's pretty much done. This guy is gonna be going over here. I mean, the washers are clean. I just lubed it, but basically you just pull them out. They are keyed in. There's a hole. These, just be careful. You can just clean it up and then just place it in a way so that you don't pinch it with the lock bar. Look at that. That would be very dangerous if you do that. So, because this is inside, but this is still kind of pinched right there. So make sure that this fella is just all the way on the back. This guy over here, it's fine, can stay there. I mean, can swap it, just why not? Just to give a little bit more grease on the other side. Anyways, you can see that this was made in the second quarter of 2015, right there. So pretty straightforward, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this guy like so. Here you go. Pretty simple construction. I love it because you can be in the field, you know, and be needing to fix you know, something to clean it up. If you need to center this thing, you can just use this little guy right over here, right? And this should be going inside. Let me see. Sometimes, oh, look at that, because the washer is not like perfectly centered, and this is something that really doesn't happen with the Sebenza 21, because you have a bushing pivot, which you don't have in this case, right? So that is why you have this situation happening, where, see, there is like the washer, I guess it's that's interesting, because you cannot do the sandwich trick that you do with the that you can do with the 21, because of the washer here is indexed. So that's not gonna work. So you know what we can do? We can go the other way around. So just going like this way and just sandwiching actually like that, like this, like so, and like that. So that's probably easier to do, but always worked like that. But you have the chance of the show side washer just moving around. So just keep that in mind. I'm not gonna tighten that all the way down. I'm just gonna, there you go. Oops. That is perfect. Okay, so there you go. A little bit less, it's fine. You can do the pivot now. You know, would be the time to add some Loctite because this might be tending to loosen up a little bit. So right here, you see, we need 2 tools to tighten this fella almost all the way down, right? And then I'm gonna try to do the trick like so, pushing here and pushing this down. And then I'm gonna start from the back and this guy here and crank this guy down. Way too tight. Just a little less. Very nice. Let's get these guys out of the way. Ooh, let's see. A little bit too tight. Let's check for blade play first. That's pretty solid. Oh, that's very good. Actually, now we are. Let's see if I can spidey flick this guy. Not really. But this with the thumb flick works pretty well. There you go. That's nice. And for a Sebenza, not too shabby. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.